what is consent? So Betty Martin, who was the originator of the Wheel of Consent, talks about the traditional meaning of consent as agreeing to something someone else wants. So I consent to X. In this meaning, I give consent or I get consent. So it's very much about, I have something I want. I'm going to approach you, Fen, and I'm going to ask directly, and you're either going to say yes or no. So I've gotten consent. But the Wheel of Consent, in the Wheel of Consent model, we go beyond the conventional yes is yes and no is no. And instead, we look at consent as being an agreement between two or more people that we come up with together. So you don't give me consent. Consent is a collaborative process that we enter into together, where we both, you and I both, actively participate in determining what feels right for both of us. Yeah. In other words, consent is when you arrive at an agreement together.